So just recently, we've had people ask us like, why have we been working so much? Because we're coming up like 5 months straight of work, and this year we really didn't travel as much as we planned, and we just worked. And I guess it comes down to this: like, I have a fear of like, what if we run out of money? Because we've never done the Centrelink thing or anything like that. We've always been fully self-funded. So we always just take the work when it's there, which means we don't travel as much as we had planned. But for 2026, I really want to travel a bit more. And we do have great periods of travel in between work, but it's always like in my back of mind, oh, we've got to get a job because we'll run out of money. And that's really not I just don't want to dig into our savings to keep funding this lifestyle, because one day we won't want to live this lifestyle, which is the other thing. So this year I do want to travel more, which hopefully means I'll work less. But at this stage, I've got work booked until the end of March. So I don't know when. I guess after that, hopefully we'll head north and have some travel. But just got to see how everything pans out. And you never know.